Turn OFF CNN. The sick thing Blitzer just said about Barcelona terror proves Trump was totally right. CNN host Wolf Blitzer up the crazy to a whole new level on Thursday after the suspected jihadist attacks on Barcelona that left 13 dead and more than 50 injured. The attackers used a car to plow into a crowd of pedestrians at the popular tourist area Las Ramblas. This is a sick tactic that terrorists have used in Europe multiple times in attacking Nice, France that killed 84 people, and another in London that killed 4, being just 2 examples. Those facts seemed to have escaped Wolf Blitzer, however, who, along with CNN national security correspondent Jim Ciotto, pondered whether or not the Barcelona attack was a copycat of Charlottesville. The violent rally in Charlottesville ended with a man plowing his car into a crowd of protesters, killing 1 woman. Ciotto said, in light of the uproar of the last several days, 5 days apart you have a white supremacist in Charlottesville use a vehicle to kill, and here you have attackers at least following the modus operandi of terrorists using vehicles apparently to kill as well, and those shared tactics that should be alarming. Blitzer replied, there will be questions about copycats. There will be questions if what happened in Barcelona was at all a copycat version of what happened in Charlottesville, Virginia. Even though there may be different characters, different political ambitions, they used the same killing device, a vehicle going at high speed into a large group of pedestrians. Check out the whole bizarre exchange here. This is media bias at its most sick. I don't know how CNN's national security advisor came to the conclusion that the Barcelona attack is a copycat of Charlottesville, when vehicles have been used in Islamic extremist attacks multiple times over the past year alone. These people will do anything to further their own agenda and have completely frittered away any semblance of journalistic integrity. President Trump just called them out on Thursday for their bias against him. The public is learning, even more so, how dishonest the fake news is. They totally misrepresent what I say about hate, bigotry etc. Shame, Donald.